Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to uninstall system or software update on Android phone. Okay, first of all, you can go to your settings application on your Android phone and you're going to scroll down until you find the general management setting. This one, tap on the general management setting and you're going to tap on reset because if we want to uninstall software update, we have to reset our Android phone. So we have to click on reset and we can click on the factory data reset right here, and you can scroll down until you find the reset button. Okay, tap on this reset button and after you reset your phone, your system update or software update on your Android phone will be uninstalled from your Android phone. Alright guys, and that's how you can uninstall a system or software update on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.